Hey, what's up, team members, and welcome to the super special SEMA show.
Are we really going to call it this?
Yes, of course. It's cool.
Okay.
My name is Anthony Lewis.
I'm Paul Ireland.
And I'm Gabe Bourbois.
Gabe, you're not in the SEMA special.
Yeah, you weren't even there.
What?
You weren't there. You're not supposed to be shooting today.
Whatever. This episode's too long already anyway.
The exit's over there.
You gotta go
it's
that
over
way.
there.
Don't trip over the...
Well, that was awkward.
Here we go.
Hey, I'm Paul Ireland.
And I'm Anthony Lewis.
And we're at SEMA 2024.
Let's do this.
All right, we're at the CCC booth, and we're here with Ken Delvin, and he's got some pretty cool... One thing I noticed on the online that I don't think people are taking advantage of.
Yeah.
So please, Ken, speak.
Yeah,
to
I
it.
think, a lot of our shops have been using the desktop client of CCC1 for years, if not decades. And over the last few years, we've been really working to get shops a lot more interested or moved over to ccc1.com. It's cccone.com. And when they log into ccc1.com, one of the things that I really love is we have the ability to talk to our shops using a product called Beamer. And so we send out messages, various marketing messages, and every single Tuesday we send out a Tuesday tip. And that Tuesday tip gives them one little thing that they can do to make their work in CCC a lot more efficient. So I think that's really, really powerful.
Awesome.
One of the new products that we're showing this week is a digital production board. So shops who use the CCC Repair Workflow Shop Management tool are going to have access to this. It's going to be going to be generally available late in the fourth quarter.
Okay.
And when they do that, they'll have a nice view of all the work that is in their shop. They can, move different jobs from one column to the other. It's all highly configurable. This is, again, going to be in GA late fourth quarter. So we're really excited about that. So a lot of really, really good stuff that we got for shops this year.
All right, so pay attention when you have a notification up there.
Absolutely. And every Tuesday, again, we send out a Tuesday tip, and it's available with this little megaphone here. And then you can see there's all sorts of different messages that are available. It goes back in history. So a really good way for shops, to stay informed about all the great things that we've got going on at CCC.
Oh, that's great. Hey, thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
All right, thanks, Paul.
Have a great show.
All right, thank you.
All right, so we're here at the Alldata booth, and we have with us Jesse Ford from Alldata. Jesse, just really quickly, we just wanted to find out what is Alldata exactly, and why is it important in the collision industry?
Yeah, absolutely. So Alldata is a OEM repair procedure provider. We get all of our documents directly from the OEM manufacturer, unedited, not transcribed, not condensed, direct to our customers. It's important because in this industry, vehicles are changing, dude. Door handles don't come off like they used to. Cars have ADAS. The cars are getting complicated. Your average repair shop right now is not prepared to jump into that vehicle and repair it properly and safely to OE manufacturer specs. So that's where we come into play. We help customers have the information up to date, easily available, ready to use, and they can fix the cars faster, better, and ultimately give their customers a safer product.
That's fantastic, man.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And where can we go to get more information on Alldata?
Yeah, so absolutely. So we have alldata.com, which is a great website where people can look into and start the journey right there. We have an Alldata YouTube page as well that's got tutorial videos, breakdowns, and shows you some real life customer testimonials where you can see in real time what it does to impact someone's business.
Very cool.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much for your time, Jesse. Really appreciate you, brother.
You got it, brother.
All
Thank
right.
you, guys. Thank you.
Alldata, everybody. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're here at the Innovative Tools booth here at SEMA 2024. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with a lot of innovative products, particularly this cart here. Looks very familiar, right? Because we see them in shops all across the country. We have the pleasure of having Kristi with Innovative join us, and she's going to talk to you guys a little bit about some new items.
Okay guys, this is the extender stand, good for doors, hoods, bumpers. It's got a weight restriction of 225 pounds.
Nice.
It's very innovative.
Wow.
Hence
All right.
the name.
Oh, I see what you did there.
Yeah.
There you go. Little accordion action, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And it's good for storage.
Very cool. And look at that. The nice thing is it scissors up, so it's easy to store and put away in the corner of the shop when you're not using it, right?
Exactly.
Awesome.
Awesome. Thank you so much,
Fantastic.
Kristi.
Yeah.
Thank you so
You're
much for your
welcome.
time. Really appreciate it.
All right, we're here with Andrew at the SCRS booth. And Andrew, I know there's a ton of resources available from SCRS. And going through classes this week, I was just shocked how much is available. What are some of the things that are available to all of our customers that they can just download from the site?
Yeah, so there's a tremendous amount available on our website. You have paint manufacturer bulletins that cover everything from like color tinting and unicide refinishing, stuff about open blends and how anything that you would need to refute up against a carrier. We've also got access to the SRS guide to estimating, which is actually incorporated into the bot tool. But that guide is available in PDF form, and that includes, I think, well over 2,500 non-included operations that you can add right into your part code table and start getting paid for. These are verified items that many of us on the SCRS board and many other people in the collision repair industry are already using, and it can really help transform the profits you're making on an individual RO very, very quickly.
Fantastic.
Yeah. We also have really good alliances with all the major OEMs. So if you're struggling to get some type of information, you can reach out directly to us at SCRS. We can either put you in touch with somebody, or chances are someone on the board can actually give you the information that you need or answer the question that you may have. But through all of us, we all have pretty much contacts with the entire any OEM operating in North America.
All I've heard this entire week is Subaru drive steering columns. That's like every class, everything, right?
Right.
So if we're having trouble getting documentation on that, we can reach out to SCRS and put us in.
Yeah, we could get you any of that type of documentation you need, and that's something I know shops sometimes know where to go. They don't always know how to interpret it or read it or what they should be doing, and we have no problem stepping in to share that info as well.
That's amazing. So what's the website one more time?
That's scrs.com.
I don't know how we're going to remember that, but I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right, we're here at the iCar booth with Bud Center. Thank you so much for talking to us. Appreciate it. One of the things that I've seen in the last year that has been kind of a game changer for a lot of shops is the app. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. So the iCar, and it's for our RTS team. And the RTS app is really just designed to help technicians and anybody that needs to access that technical information be able to do it from their phone, do it from the stall, do it from really anywhere that they need it, rather than having to run back to a computer, log in and do all those things. They can download the app, have it on their phone, and if the tech has a question while they're working on a car in their stall, they can go right into the app and get the information they need.
Oh, that's great. So that's anybody in the shop?
Anybody. And anybody in the industry.
Okay, and it's free?
It's free.
So as far as that's going to pull OE recommendation, that's going to be like
Sure. So when you go to the RTS, it's just like going to the RTS site online. You can go in, and if you're looking for OEM requirements for calibrations or sectioning procedures or things like that, we can't give out the actual procedure because it's copyrighted. Sure. But we can tell you if a procedure exists and where you can find it. The ADAS calibration, you'll find things like what type of systems could potentially be on this vehicle, what type of tools and equipment would be required for the calibrations, and when a calibration is required. You'll see all of that kind of information on there if you're looking up ADAS.
Awesome. So super easy, just go to, what's the website?
It's rts.com.
And then I'm assuming the app's available like App Store?
Correct. Yeah, you can go right to i-car.com, the iCar website, click on the RTS link, it'll take you there as well.
Awesome. Thank you so much, bud.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Take care.
Have a great show.
You too.
All right, with the battery died on our camera on our last interview, my feet hurt.
I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home.
Yeah, I think I'm with you.
Great show, though.
It was
Did you have a good show? Did you have a good show?
Have a good show.
Yeah. Did you have a good show?
I did have a good show.
I had a great show as well.
I'm ready to unshow.
Yeah, absolutely. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. We'll see you guys next year.
See ya.